Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change the name of Facebook page because sometimes we need to change the name of Facebook page. So don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can easily do this. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Play Store and here you need to update your Facebook applications. So after updating your Facebook application, click on open options. So then click on three dot on top right and here you can see your page. Then click on profile icon and then you will see three dot, click on it and then click on edit options. And when you will click on edit options, you can see there is no any options to change the name. So I will show you how you can easily do it. So go back and you will see setting options, click on it and then you will see page setting options, click on it and here you can see name options, click on it. So here you can see names. Here you can edit, change the name of your Facebook page. So after changing, click on review change. So in this way you can change the name of your Facebook page. So please keep in mind, if you change your name on the Facebook, you will not be able to change it again for 60 days. So if you have also a new page, then you can change your Facebook page name after 60 days. So in this way you can change your Facebook page name very easily. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.